Hi everyone, this is an instructional video on how to add a folder, add a due date, and publish or unpublish. So we're going to go ahead and start with the course that we want to do the changes to or make the changes to. And this is mine, this is my demo course, this is just where I create things, and then when I'm ready to actually put them in the courses, I'll go here, copy to courses, and then I'll finalize and publish in that course. So we want to make sure that we're in the materials. We're going to add materials and we are going to add a folder. The way the district wants it is they want the first folder to be week of, so that the student knows exactly where to go for that week, and then assign it a color. I guess that's not required, but it makes it nice. So we want this folder to be active on the 24th, and then we want to put an end date just to be consistent. We want this folder to be available maybe until the next Sunday. To be consistent with everything else, we said that we were going to be putting deadlines. And so, let's put, 11:59 p.m. We'll do the same thing here. Publish or unpublish means that it's going to be available to students or unavailable to students, or you want it to be published on the start date. So you can go ahead and start populating all your folders, all your assignments, but be mindful of this. So publish on the start date. If you have already created a folder, you can go ahead and go back and then change this function. So publish during the date range, which is pretty neat because you assign it here, it's due here, it'll be available only during that time, but for now we're just going to publish. Okay, so now you have the week of. Now we're going to go ahead and create a subfolder. You have an option to do it from here now and over here. So this one is a little neater, and I'm going to put add folder, and we're going to make it the August 24th folder. The August 24th folder. And this can be, I don't know if it can be icebreakers. And we're going to make it another color. And this is only going to be available on the 24th, or I'm going to have the date set for the 24th, and then my end date, I'll make it available until that Sunday also. Availability, again, publish or unpublished. Do you want it seen or do you want it unseen? We're going to go ahead and put published for now. I'll show you an example of what an unpublished assignment would look like. So now we have these folders, and you notice that it didn't go within this folder, so it's easy to snap in there. We want the week of the 24th to have this folder in here, and it snaps very nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and create an assignment, so add materials now. Okay, so if you made a mistake for any reason, just go to this cog button, and then you can go ahead and edit. You're going to add an assignment, and this can be where you import or put a picture of something, write your document or write your questions, however you want to do it. You can import a file that is editable, and this assignment we're going to call August 24th, and then this will be icebreaker 1. And then the due date, we're going to make it due on the same date, but at 11:59. And the category, it's no big deal if it is ungraded. If you don't have your category set up, just put ungraded. And then it's going to sync with your gradebook. And then here, publish to students or do not publish. We're going to put unpublished, and we're going to disable comments because we don't want students to be sharing. I don't know, it could be the type of assignment you have. You don't want to have them commenting. And then you're going to go ahead and create. And then notice that it says unpublished. I'm going to snap this into the week of. It's going to snap. There you go. And this will be in there. So we need to make sure that folder has the actual lesson. It's being a little finicky. There you go. Okay, so overall, we've made the week of the 24th. We've made August 24th icebreakers, and here's the lesson, but it is unpublished. Let's pretend that we're ready to publish it. We're just going to go to publish and then publish, and it'll be ready. Let's just say this lesson is just awesome and this week is ready and you have somebody you want to share this to. You're going to go to save to resources, and then you can select, like for me, I have a Chem Collab. So I would share it with him and he can get this and he can edit it. He can add anything to that as long as I make him an editor as well. So I would save copy. And so it says that it has been sent to resources. So we made a folder, we established deadlines, and if you go to a calendar, you should be able to see, where it is. You can change the color of the course. So my demos are red, and I've been playing around with the Sandbox course and the demo, so I have a lot of stuff right now, but it's just me messing around with it. This isn't an expectation for everyone else. So you go to resources, and you'll see the folder there. And I can copy to the collab. I can provide it to my collab partner and just leave it there. And so then my Chem Collab partner would have them, and I've already done this before, but that's why he has two. But I had only done one, so it was added by me today, both of them. So that's how you do it. The end of this instructional video kind of elaborated on Chem Collab or the Collab class. This can also be for a PLC, and I'll have another video on that. Thank you.